Hello friends, welcome to General Knowledge Corner. Please subscribe our channel to get more and more informative videos daily. Today's video is about top 50 GK questions and answers on First in India. So guys, let's start the video. First railway started in which year? 1853, 1900, 1947, 1857. Answer 1853. Next question. Who is the first president of Republic India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Indira Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Answer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who is the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? Mother Teresa, C.V. Raman, Ravindranath Tagore, Amartya Sen. Answer Ravindranath Tagore in 1913. Next question. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Zakir Hussain, Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the first British Viceroy of India? Lord Canning, Lord Bentinck, Wellington, Lord Dalhousie. Answer Lord Canning. Which is the India's first university? Nalanda, Mumbai, Patliputra, Madras. Answer Nalanda University. Who is the first woman IPS officer? Sushma Swaraj, Kiran Bedi, Tina Dabi, Arundhati Roy. Answer Kiran Bedi. Who is the first election commissioner of India? SP Sinha, Sukumar Sen, Anna Chandy, Ram Verma. Answer Sukumar Sen. First Vice President of India was Jawaharlal Nehru, Vajpayee, Pranab Mukherjee, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Answer Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Who is the first British Governor of India? Annie Besant, Lord Curzon, Rita Faria, Lord William Bentinck. Answer Lord William Bentinck. First Muslim President of India was Dr. Zakir Hussain, Abdul Kalam, Fatima Khan, Maulana Azad. Answer Dr. Zakir Hussain. Next question. Who is the first Indian woman to receive Nobel Prize? Kiran Bedi, Sushmita Sen, Mother Teresa, Malala Yousafzai. Answer Mother Teresa. Who was the first Home Minister of India? Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Azad, Narsimha Rao, V.N. Rao. Answer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who is the first woman to receive Bharat Ratna? Mother Teresa, Indira Gandhi, Pratibha Patil, Kalpana Chawla. Answer Indira Gandhi. Who was the first woman governor of Free India? Sucheta Kriplani, Sushma Swaraj, Nirmala Sitharaman, Sarojini Naidu. Answer Sarojini Naidu. Where was the first post office opened in India? Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi. Answer Kolkata in 1727. Who was the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Medicine? C.V. Raman, Hargobind Khurana, Amartya Sen, Chandrasekhar. Answer Hargobind Khurana. Who discovered genetic code? Who was the first and last woman ruler of India? Rani Lakshmibai, Fatima Sheikh, Savitribai, Razia Sultan. Answer Razia Sultan. Who was the first woman to climb Mount Everest? Bachendri Pal, Arunima Sinha, Kavita Sharma, शेरपा सिंग. आंसर बचेंद्री पाल. Who is the first woman pilot in Indian Force? हरमनप्रीत, हिमा दास, कीर्ति यादव, हरिता कौर दयाल. आंसर हरिता कौर दयाल. First woman chief minister of Indian state was सुचेता कृपलानी, ममता बनर्जी, मायावती, राबड़ी देवी. आंसर सुचेता कृपलानी. Who was the first education minister of India? मौलाना आजाद, रमेश पोखरियाल, अरुण जेटली, मनोहर पर्रिकर. आंसर मौलाना अबुल आजाद. Who was the first woman to win medal in Olympic? पीटी उषा, साइना नेहवाल, पीवी सिंधू, कर्णम मल्लेश्वरी. आंसर कर्णम मल्लेश्वरी in 2000. Next question. Who was India's first grandmaster in chess? आनंद शर्मा, विश्वनाथन आनंद, नीरज चोपड़ा, अक्षत मेहता. आंसर विश्वनाथन आनंद. First Indian woman to win Miss Universe title was करीना कपूर, सुष्मिता सेन, ऐश्वर्या राय, आलिया भट्ट. आंसर सुष्मिता सेन. Who was the first scientist to be awarded with Bharat Ratna? होमी भाभा, सीवी रमन, विक्रम साराभाई, वेंकटेश्वर. आंसर सीवी रमन. Who won the first Olympic gold medal for India? Indian hockey team, नीरज चोपड़ा, पीवी सिंधु, मेजर ध्यानचंद. आंसर इंडियन हॉकी टीम in 1928. Next question. Who won the first individual gold medal in Olympic? बजरंग पुनिया, सुशील कुमार, गीता फोगाट, अभिनव बिंद्रा. आंसर अभिनव बिंद्रा in shooting. Who was the first Indian to be awarded Nishane-e-Pakistan? वाजपेयी जी, मोरारजी देसाई, इंदिरा गांधी, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री. आंसर मोरारजी देसाई. Next question. Which is the first Wi-Fi city in India? दिल्ली, मुंबई, चेन्नई, कोलकाता. आंसर मुंबई. Which is the first tobacco-free state in India? केरला, हरियाणा, गोवा, गुजरात. आंसर केरला. Who is the first and only industrialist who received Bharat Ratna? रतन टाटा, JRD टाटा, आदित्य बिर्ला, धीरूभाई अंबानी. आंसर JRD टाटा. Who was the first woman speaker of Lok Sabha? रामा देवी, महिरा कुमार, सुषमा स्वराज, राबड़ी देवी. आंसर मीरा कुमार. Who is the first Indian to receive Gyanpith Award? R.K. नारायणन, जी शंकरा कुरूप, सरोजिनी नायडू, रमेश भट्ट. आंसर जी शंकरा कुरूप. Who was the first Lok Sabha speaker? ओम बिर्ला, मोहन जोशी, चरण सिंह, गणेश वासुदेव मावलनकर. आंसर गणेश वासुदेव मावलनकर. Who is the first woman judge? लीला सेठ, एन्ना चैंडी, अमृता राव, दुर्बा बैनर्जी. आंसर एन्ना चैंडी. Who is the first prime minister who resigned before completing the full term? मोरारजी देसाई, VN राव, चंद्रशेखर, मनमोहन सिंह. आंसर मोरारजी देसाई. Who was the first person to win परमवीर चक्र? सोमनाथ शर्मा, कौस्तुभ राणे, कर्नल सिंह, संतोष यादव. आंसर सोमनाथ शर्मा. Who was the first defense minister of India? John Mathai, Sardar Baldev Singh, Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah. Answer: Sardar Baldev Singh. Who is the first president of Indian National Congress? Mahatma Gandhi, W.C. Banerjee, Jawaharlal Nehru, Winston Churchill. Answer: W.C. Banerjee. Who is the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court? Hiralal J. Kania, Rita Faria, Shanno Devi, C. Rajagopalachari. Answer: Hiralal J. Kania. Next question. Who is the first test tube baby in India? Harsha, Krishna, Rima, Rajveer. Answer: Harsha. Which is the first cricket stadium in India? Eden Garden, Wankhede, Brabourne, Green Park. Answer: Eden Garden, Kolkata. Which is the first dam in India? Kallanai Dam, Hirakunda, Koyna Dam, Bhakra Nangal. Answer: Kallanai Dam. Who was the first Indian pilot? Gunjan Saxena, J.R.D. Tata, Biju Patnaik, Rajiv Gandhi. Answer: J.R.D. Tata. Who was the first woman graduate in India? Kandabini Ganguly, Kamini Roy, Savitribai Phule, Malini. Answer: Kadambini Ganguly. When the first postal stamp issued? 1800, 1920, 1825, 1850. Answer: 1825. Which is the first Indian submarine? INS Kalavari, INS Vikrant, Shalki, Kranti. Answer: INS Kalavari. Who is the first Prime Minister who did not face the Parliament? Charan Singh, V.N. Rao, Indira Gandhi, Narsimha Rao. Answer: Charan Singh. Who is the first Indian to join civil services? Avinash Dharmadhikari, Kiran Bedi, Ira Singhal, Satyendranath Tagore. Answer: Satyendranath Tagore. Guys, if you like our video, then don't forget to watch our another videos. Thank you.